The 2008 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice. And you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, CD changer, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.